let's show you how quick and easy it is to add Flowsta Auth to your website. This how-to video will run through how to vibe code the Sign In with Flowsta button to an existing website in Cursor. First, we go to dev.flowsta.com to set up our OAuth app in the Flowsta developer's dashboard. Once you've signed in, click Apps button, then click the Create Your First App button. Next, type your app name and click the Create App button. Your app has now been created successfully. You'll need to copy the client ID to use in Cursor later. Now let's switch over to Cursor. We've already asked the AI to get up to speed with our project by reading our internal documentation. If you don't create internal docs when vibe coding, we highly recommend it. Whilst in planning mode, we type out our prompt. Our prompt talks about how we want to add Flowsta Auth to our project and how we want to use it. In this case, we want the Sign In with Flowsta button to appear after the 4th article, and only once logged in will we be able to see more articles. To make sure the AI you've chosen has the most up-to-date information about Flowsta Auth, we add links to the Flowsta development documentation to the prompt. Here we add the Get Started guide, the SDK, and information about the Sign In with Flowsta buttons. We ask to add the dark button with pill-shaped ends. And then we ask if there are any clarifying questions before the AI finalizes the plan. The AI analyzes the project code, reads the docs that we provided, and then asks some clarifying questions. The first being, what is the client ID that we created in the Flowsta developer dashboard earlier? And the other, what is the redirect URI required? So we copy and paste the client ID, and for now, we'll go with the redirect URI. It's suggested for local development. After submitting our response, the AI has another think and finalizes its implementation plan. Then we read over the plan. We could add to it or ask questions if we wanted. In this case, the plan looks great, so we click the Build button. The AI goes to work and first adds the Flowsta SDK. Then it continues adding it to our project. We've sped this and other parts of the video up to make it flow better. Even if we hadn't sped up the video, the process is quick and straightforward. After a few short minutes, we've added Flowsta Auth to our project. In this case, the AI missed adding the pre-made Sign In with Flowsta button, so we ask it to fix that up. It doesn't take too long, and the correct button has been added. Now we ask for the live production redirect URI, and we copy that. We click the Edit Settings button on the OAuth section of our app details page. Then paste the redirect URI we just copied from Cursor. Remember to click Save Settings. Then we can go to our live website, thenowtimes.com, to test the new Sign In with Flowsta button. Once clicked, you either sign in if you already have a Flowsta account, or sign up if you don't. Then authorize the site to use your data. You can always revoke this permission at flowsta.com later. Now, you are logged into thenowtimes.com and can see more than 4 articles like we originally asked the AI to set up in the planning phase in Cursor. It's that easy.